Welcome to Abhipray's Little Universe. So here's how to make a sticker. First, the sticker background. Next, the sticker mold. After that, the sticker tray, sticker decorations, and the sticker forge. So, first step, you take your sticker mold, place it like this. Make sure that these 2 points, the open side is supposed to be facing forward, the closed backwards. Next, get your sticker tray. Place it downwards from the top and do it in this order exactly. Then take your sticker decorations. Decide which one to put in. So in this example, I will put a different combination. Here we go. Be careful. Do not load it in like take consciousness. And yeah. Now that we've added all the decoration, it's time for the sticker background. Now, we put it like this on top of the sticker mold. And then, once you're ready, close it. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. And this is how the sticker turned out. Now, this is not the final step. Whenever you are ready to stick your sticker, take out the peel and then get ready to put it wherever you want. Just peel this off and here you go.